let us discuss about changing concepts of health. Right? Changing concepts. Here, what we are discussing in this lecture is we are discussing the definition of health according to different professionals. You see, when you ask for definition of health to different professionals will give you different definitions. You see, when you ask medical staff for a definition of health, you will say one definition. If you ask definition of health to a ecologist, he will give you some other definition. When you ask a psychologist for definition of health, he will give you some other definition, some different definition. So the concept of health is different in different people. That's what we are going to discuss in this lecture. So according to this, based on this, we have many concepts. They are biomedical concept, ecological concept, biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychological concept, the last one is holistic concept, right? So when you ask different professionals, they will give you different definitions for health, and based on that we have different concepts of health, that means different definitions for health. In this we have mainly four concepts: biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychological concept, and holistic concept. We'll cover all these concepts in this lecture. The first one is biomedical concept. Biomedical concept. According to this concept, the definition of health is mere absence of disease. If there is absence of disease, then the person is said to be healthy, right? Mere absence of disease. So according to biomedical concept, health is absence of disease. As all of us know, health has different factors. Health, when you just say that the person is having no disease, then you can't say that person is healthy, because there are many factors that contribute for health. This concept will not consider all other factors, like it will not consider the importance of environment in health, social activities, psychology, cultural activities, and all other. See, all these things will contribute to health, but this biomedical concept is not considering all these things. It only says that health is mere absence of disease, right? This is biomedical concept. Then moving to ecological concept. According to ecological concept, health is just an equilibrium between man and his environment. It is equilibrium between man and environment. This is what is health, right? Health is equilibrium between man and his environment. When this equilibrium is lost, it results in disease. This is what according to ecological concept, right? So let us keep the definition for disease according to this concept. Disease, according to ecological concept, the definition for disease is maladjustment of adjustment of human organism to environment, right? This is what according to ecological concept for definition of disease. According to ecological concept, the disease is maladjustment of human to environment. Du Bois has given a definition for health. We'll see that definition also. According to Du Bois, health is relative absence of pain and discomfort. Relative absence of pain and discomfort, and continuous adaptation and adjustment. Continuous adaptation and adjustment to environment to ensure optimal function. To ensure optimal function. Here we have to see that there is a word used here, that is adaptation. Adaptation, right? That means here man is continuously adapting to his environment. Is adapting to environment. If he fails to adapt to his environment, it results in disease. I hope you understood here. When there is inability to adapt to environment, it results in disease, and this adaptation will determine occurrence of disease. Will determine occurrence of disease, and also availability of food availability, right? And this adaptation can also lead to longer life expectancy, right? And also it increases the quality of life, right? Here two concepts have been introduced: imperfect man and imperfect environment. Imperfect man and imperfect environment. And imperfect environment. When these two things are present, then it results in disease, right? This is about ecological concept. We'll see the last concept, that is holistic concept. Holistic concept. This concept is nothing but the combination of all the concepts that we have discussed so far. It is a combination of ecological concept, biomedical concept, psychological concept as well. So it is a synthesis of all the concept. Synthesis of all concepts. According to this concept, health is sound mind. According to this, health is sound mind in a sound body. Here sound in the sense, health, right? Keep that in your mind. Sound mind in sound body, in a sound family, in a sound family, in a sound environment. Sound, right? So this concept is considering importance of all the factors that contribute to health, and it is giving the perfect definition for health, right? Because it is considering all the factors that are essential for health. This is something about changing concepts of health.